What I'm going to show you is the self-service flow we now have for Fortellis, which is an improvement over the previous flow. And I'm going to start from scratch where I've just come to Fortellis and I want to create a brand new account. I'm making a user and I'm creating an account. So now when you create a new user, it sends a verification email back. And look at that, just popped up. So now I can go ahead and verify my email address. And at this point, it jumps back and it sets up the account. Now we have this as successful. So let's go ahead and jump back in now and sign in with that new account. So now I'm in the tool, I've got a new user. And at this point, many users already know of an organization that exists. They're already with someone. But in this case, I'm saying I'm a brand new user. I don't want to join any of these organizations. I want to create one on my own. So I will register a new organization. All right. So we want people to be able to take an organization, jump into it, and be able to just start doing dev. Let me reload here so we can see this organization. So we really want to explore creating APIs inside of orgs. You see now I'm inside of this org and it's a pending org because this org has yet to be validated on the back ends, but that is not necessary to do dev. So let me go to my developer account page here, and this is the main landing page. At this point, you can go and create a new API, and the API now is just a kind of a combination of all the various aspects that make up an API. It all identifies as one, which is why we call it the one-to-one. You've got your schema, you've got your target. And then you create the API. So you can see now it's in provisioning, which means it's putting everything together. But I've already got all these pieces here. And down here, it'll tell you if your organization has not been approved. Only once an organization has been validated on the back end can that happen. So we've tried to push the human intervention as late as possible. So someone can come in, make a user, make an organization, even make an API. And once that API is provisioned, which should be, this is pretty fast, they can even test it. We've got test subscriptions. We've got this downloadable Postman collection, which is essentially a tool that will allow you to hit that back end with the test subscription. So you're good to go and use this API before you've had any human intervene. Only at the point where you want to publish it do you then need to have a verified org.